Hello, some people, welcome back to my channel where I tell you about my mompreneur journey regarding my apparel and gift store. So I realized that I actually downloaded the graphic as transparent background. That was the reason why the blue background doesn't show in the graphic. So I didn't make a mistake. I thought I made a mistake initially. So now we just hit press. So this is the parchment paper I will use to cover the design. First time, first time, first time. Doesn't have to be perfect. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, I'm waiting. I can't see the time reducing. Oh, I can't see the time reducing actually. That's serious. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Let me check it again. I'm not sure of what is going on right now. Okay, I think it's ready. Parchment paper, don't forget it at all to cover your. Okay. Good luck. Okay, let's see. Does it work? Nope. Nope, 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 nope. It doesn't work. Interesting. It doesn't work. And actually, the white will stay. There is no magic, you see. The white will stay. I think I'm not comfortable with. I'm not really comfortable with this. I'm not expecting the white to stay. Maybe the heat transfer is not real. Yeah, this one, the white will stay. I was thinking maybe there will be a kind of disappearance, but it seems no. The white will actually stay on this. And it won't work. It won't work. That's just it. Yeah. Thank you. I will keep you posted. I'm learning. What I did now was I removed the blank and I put one of my children's t-shirt that they have outgrown to see what happens. So let's see what will happen. So it's like that transfer paper is not what I really wanted. I don't want white background in my design. I want transparent background. I want the background of my design to be the color of my blank. But this transparent, each transfer paper is not doing that. It's not giving me transparent background. Even though I prepare my file to be transparent background, it's not giving me that transparent background. And this is not what we are looking for. That's one of the life of an entrepreneur, and it's like this requires lot of it for you to be sure that it will stay. I've repeated it twice now to be sure that it's doing what it's supposed to do. By now I think it should be okay. You see? Let me show you. It will leave, the white will be there. It's nice, but it's just, that's not what I was looking for. I was looking for a transparent background. So I will think of what I will use that transparent paper to do. Thank God I just bought only one to see what it can give me. But at least now I know that my heat press is working. I know how to control for what I need to control for. And I hope you are able to learn one thing or the other in this process. So see you in my next video when I have something new to share with you. Yeah, remain blessed. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Thanks for your support. I appreciate it. Bye for now. God bless you. Yeah, this one says pastoring is my calling, not my hobby. I love it. It's so beautiful. Only that I don't want white. I don't want white background.